Look at this, guys. It's beautiful flowers. Look. So beautiful. It's purple. Look at this, guys. Beautiful flowers. Huge. Look. So beautiful. Oh, I love it. And I'm going to put it, and I'm going to put in this vase. What are you doing there? Are you checking the food? Are you checking the food? Are you checking the food? Oh, look at that. Look at this baby. Look. Sauvignon Blanc. Okay. And then look at this. Oh. This is hoisin duck. Oh, you like it? And then look at this. Crispy aromatic half duck. And this is Chinese XO prawn noodles. Oi? Oh, look at this. It's nice. Yummy. So beautiful. That. And then this. And then this hoisin duck. And that. And this one. This one is ladin nut. Okay, let's open this baby. Wow! Look at that. Oh, no, you cannot eat that. It's yummy. Look at that. Yum, yum. So beautiful. Yummy, yummy food. All these food are from M&S.